Ray, yan, pumasok na rin. At dito ako, Ray, sa Nick, sa isinasagawang 7th Asia General Assembly of Asia Conference of Religion for Peace. Ito'y ginaganap dito sa Manila Hotel at sampung mga religion ang lumahok dito sa assembly at 15 mga bansa ang sumama dito sa assembly. At may pinaka-speaker, one of the speaker keynote itong si Master Ching Kung. At katabi ko, Ray, pero meron siyang translator. Alamin ko lang, do you think there is still a possibility of building peace?
师傅，他想问您，现在还有可能重建和平吗？
是肯定的，只要我们努力，和平可以落实。
What does he say?
The answer is very clear and very evident that peace is still possible as long as we put in effort and energy.
And my last two question, what is the best solution to peace building?
他在问第二个问题。
好。
是，怎么样能够达成和平？要怎么做才能达成和平？
这个落实和平要靠两个人，一个是国家领导人，一个是媒体的主持人。真正的做法，那就是要办教学，把伦理、道德、因果的教育普及到全民，和平就落实了。我们这2年在安徽汤池小镇做的试验，就是有力的证明。
Anyway,
Yes, it is possible to achieve peace, but we have to work hard at it. The main thing is we have to full-scalely implement the teachings of morality, virtues, and causality, and make people understand the importance of such principles. In the past few years, the experiment we were able to conduct in the Lujiang Changshi in China, it is a province in China, is the best example. Also, in order to save this world, there are two types of people who can help to save this world. The first type of people is the leaders of various governments, such as the president of our countries. The second type of people is the controller or the owners of medias, such as your radio station. You have the power to influence people.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now, Ray, 10 mga malalaking mga religious group ang sumama dito sa assembly. Ito yung bilangan ng mga Buddhism. Yes, Nick.
Pakitanong mo ka, is there any possibility na the first solution is religion?
What is the
Sorry, can you repeat that question again?
Is there any possibility that the very first solution is to have a religion peace?
他是提到说，现在在宗教之间还有可能会有和平。
有，宗教是可以团结的。我们从99年团结新加坡的宗教，以后接着团结印尼的宗教，这个马来西亚的宗教，这几个国家地区，宗教已经变成一家人，变成像兄弟姐妹一样，非常的友好。所以这个工作可以做。
Yes, it is possible to achieve unities and harmony between religions. From our own experience, we were able to achieve and promote religious harmony in Singapore, in Malaysia, and in Indonesia. There are ways to achieve that. We have to work hard to build dialogues between religions, and that's how we can understand each other, and that's how we can achieve religious peace.
Ray, Nick, si...
Pakitanong din, kasi humans have many fear-based religions. A doctrine of God who is to be worshipped and feared. Do they agree with that?
Okay, do you mean that religion is based on doctrines of fear? I didn't quite catch that. Can you repeat a bit? I didn't quite can you repeat your question?
What I'm saying is that humans have many fear-based religions,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So, what can can you say about a doctrine of God who is to be worshipped and feared?
OK，主持人是说，现在有很多世界上的宗教都是谈到用让人比较恐惧或害怕的方法来停止他们来做坏事。
那不可以，这是决定做不到的。恐怖这个战争就是从这儿引起的，所以一定要用仁慈，要用仁爱，要用信义，要用伦理，要用道德，要用因果，要用宗教的教育。宗教教育都是爱的教育。
Translate lang.
Yes. The best way to achieve peace is not through fear doctrines of fear, to make your followers to do whatever they are supposed to be doing, but while they are not really willing to do it themselves. Instead, we have to use teachings of compassion, teaching of moralities and virtues to convince people that's the best way to achieve peace. And that is the only way we should be conducting peace education and the movement of religious peace.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
非
much.
常谢谢师父。
Okay, Ray, isa sa mga nakakapanay natin dito, itong si Master Chingkong, ng isang pinaka-speaker na sinasagawang General Assembly. Pang-pito to, 7th Asia General Assembly of Asia Conference of Religion for Peace. At taon-taon every 5 years sa Ray, ginagawa itong assembly. Nauna ito noong 1976 pa sa Singapore, noong 1981 sa New Delhi, noong 1986 sa Seoul, noong 1991 sa Kathmandu, 1996 sa Ayutthaya, at itong last ng 2002 sa Jakarta. At 15 bansa ang sumama dito sa ginaganap na assembly sa Manila Hotel. Mula pa rin sa Manila Hotel, Boy Gonzales nag-uulat para sa DZRH Nationwide.